Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to call voice assistant using your speaker QCY SP7. Right here at the top we have all controls for the speaker and we need to use a play pause button. So you need to press 2 times at this button. 1, 2. And as you can see, I just call Google Assistant. If you set up Gemini, you will call Gemini, or maybe you have a Samsung, you will call Bixby. Now, we cannot change this feature. I mean, we have it for the double press for the play pause button, and if we use the application, right here we have no more option to customize these controls. So this one is the only way to call voice assistant. If you go to the more settings, also no information here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.